Okay, 79 wants us to multiply. So FOIL, right? So I have 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times negative 5 is negative 20x. Then we do the 5. 5 times 4x is 20x. And 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. And we have like terms here, right, which cancel. And we get 16x squared minus 25. And this is actually special. We'll learn about this later. This is actually called a difference of squares. Okay. And then for b, we have 4x plus 5 squared. This means 4x plus 5 times 4x plus 5. Do not make the mistake of bringing that in. You can only do that if they're multiplying, not when they're adding, right? So we can't take that shortcut. We have to multiply this out as a binomial times binomial. So 4x times 4x is 16x squared. 4x times 5 is 20x. Now we do the 5 and the 4x, and we get 20x. And the 5 and the 5, and we get 25. And these two are like terms, and we get 16x squared plus 40x plus 25. And this is actually something we'll learn later. It's a perfect square trinomial.